Hi, sir. Hello, everyone. Today I will present the activity for the Poetry London. 3 activities for the Poetry London. I am Wang Yirong. My student ID is SUKD 200291. For today's presentation, there has 3 contexts. The first is pre-reading activity for the Poetry London. The second is well-reading activity. The last is post-reading activity. Okay, now I will present the part 1 pre-reading activity. In the pre-reading activity, I want to ask the pupils to listen and watch the poetry. And this is a Poetry London video link. If you're interested, you can watch this video. And then I will ask the pupils to read the poetry once. And I will let the pupils discuss how to read the poetry in the intonation. Why I want to design such activity? Because reading poetry can let pupils feel the rhythm of poetry and read the author's true feelings. And in the process of reading, students can imagine, experience emotions, and enter the author's unique inner world to pave the way for the follow-up study of this poem. And now we will move to the part 2, well-reading activity. In the view reading activity, I want to let pupils to read the poem aloud to the class again. This time, I want to ask pupils to pencil out any part of the poem they notice or think interesting or like. And then I will let the pupils discuss the sentences they have just drawn and ask pupils to share the words and sentences with their classmates. And then I will let the pupils discuss and summarize the theme of the poem and what's the key points in each paragraph of this poem. So this is a well-reading activity. Okay, now let's move to the 3 activity in the post-reading. In the post-reading activity, first I want the pupils to read the poem aloud to the class again. This time I want to ask pupils to answer the below questions in worksheet. I will divide the worksheets to my pupils. The first question is, what do you notice about the author's choice of the words? The second is, who is talking in this poetry? The third question is, what do you notice about the use of metaphor or smell? The next question is, this poem contains the symbol of life. What do you think it might be? The next is, look at the structure of this poem. What patterns do you notice in this poem? The last question is, what does the title of this poem mean? I will ask the pupils to discuss these questions in class and share their ideas. And then I will lead pupils to analyze these questions one by one. In this step, I will let pupils to understand the poetry well. So this is an activity in the post-reading. Okay, so thank you for your watching. This is my presentation of the 3 activities. Now I will let me show you the worksheet in the post-reading activity. This is a worksheet that I designed in the post-reading activity. This is a title of the worksheet. I want to pupils to write down their name and the date. And this is a poetry title, London. And this is a contact of the Poetry London. And this is a questions that I want pupils to answer. So this is a simple worksheet that I designed for my pupils. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.